Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yani from YANISTYLEDIT, and I'm just going to get right into the video because you guys know that I can talk. So we're just going to start off by getting my client settled with some Netflix, have something nice for her to watch. Today we're going to be doing a corrective color, a treatment, a silk press, and a little trim. So this was my client's hair before. She came in 2 weeks prior to this visit to get her hair colored. The very left is before, the middle is after the color, and the right is after the color once we saw it in natural lighting. We didn't get the exact color that we wanted, so we ended up having to go in 2 weeks later to redo the color, which is what we're doing in this video today. I'm going to start off by sectioning my client's hair off for some partial highlights first, and we're going to do this so that we can make her color pop a little more once we put that base color on. The way I'm applying the bleach to her hair may look a little unorthodox to you guys, but I like to do this to make sure that I'm thoroughly saturating the hair. I don't want any negative spots. I want everything to be covered. Alright, so now that we applied all of the bleach and the highlights have processed, we're now going to dry her hair. I don't want to blow through it and stretch it out because it's completely pointless. So I'm just going to blow it with the air just touching her hair. I could have put her under the hooded dryer, but this was much faster. Not to mention, doing it this way puts a lot less strain on the client's hair and it's less heat application. As you can see, her curls are still doing very, very well after using the bleach. That is through proper technique. Now I'm going through and prepping her hair to receive the base color. You may or may not have noticed that I'm going in and putting the color near the roots but not directly at the roots. I'm going to go back in later and put it directly at the roots. I just don't want the roots to become super bright and I don't want her to have hot roots. So I'm just going in and applying it to the lengths of the hair first, and then I'm going to go back in and apply it towards the roots. So after shampooing, I'm gonna go in and apply the strengthening treatment that I do with all of my chemical services, whether it be color, relaxer, anything like that, highlights. So I'm gonna go ahead and just saturate her hair with this, let it really seep in and do its magic. And can we just acknowledge how beautiful this color is looking already? I'm loving it. The highlights add just a beautiful touch. Oh, did I forget to mention my girl is also getting a steam treatment? The steam is going to really allow that strengthening treatment to really get into her hair and do its job. It's also going to add in some moisture back into her hair because, as we know, color can be very stripping and harsh to our hair, but we want to make sure that we're getting her hair back to 100% before she leaves the suite. And now that we have her hair all blown out, it looks amazing, soft, it's very healthy. We're gonna start silk pressing her hair. I do a lot of silk presses. That's what majority of my services end up being. It may look like a lot of heat to you guys, but that is because of the heat protectant that I use. It gives off a smoke because it is oil based. So don't think that I'm out here doing my girls dirty. None of my girls have heat damage. All of their curls come back. Their hair is in phenomenal state. It's very, very healthy. But I'm gonna go in and press her hair out now, so just check this out. And can we just get into these highlights? Like, this color looks amazing. I'm not trying to big my head up or, you know, boost myself up, but I'm really loving the way this color turned out. Her hair is nice and healthy, it's flowing, it has bounce to it. The only thing that we're gonna do is, you know, dust her ends a little bit. We went ahead 2 weeks ago and we gave her a trim, but after doing any type of chemical service, you typically need to dust your ends because of the processing that, you know, the toll that it takes on your ends. So it's good to just dust it and get those off, but other than that, her hair is phenomenal. And these are our final results. Her color is absolutely beautiful. I'm glad we finally got to achieve the color that she was going for. The highlights, gorgeous. Base color, gorgeous. Health, phenomenal. Trim, on point. Curls, flowing. Hair, bouncy. It's just giving all the way around. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that you come back to check out my next one and subscribe while you're at it. Bye, guys.
There goes the sun. Yes, last time it was hiding.